Hey guys, welcome back to Zozo Pops. As you can tell, we just woke up. So today we're going to be making mini egg omelets. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. So how you're going to be making these egg omelets is you're going to need a cupcake pan. We've already gone ahead and oiled it with olive oil, and we've already gone and mixed some eggs. What you're going to need is some oil, onions, orange pepper, 3 eggs or more, cheese, a bowl, and a cupcake pan. So what you're going to be needing is you're going to be preheating the oven for 375 or 20 minutes. So now we are going to be pouring in the vegetables. Now we are going to be mixing it all together. Now that we're done mixing, we are going to be pouring these in the cupcake pan. Now that we stirred enough, we're going to be pouring them in the cupcake pans. So now that we poured them into the cooking pan, we are going to be adding the cheese to them. We are done with the cheese, and now we're ready to put it in the oven. Yeah, let's put them in the oven. Oh, hey guys, egg omelets are done, and they are, so let's get them out of the oven. Okay, so they're out of the oven, and we have some seasonings. Now we're gonna put on them. And hopefully it's good. It's good. It's a little bit hot, but it's good. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me in the comments if you made this recipe and if you liked it. We'll see you all next time on the next episode